Hydraulic washing. Hydraulic washing is the method used to concentrate an ore that contains lighter impurities. In this method, the lighter impurities of the ore can be washed away by a stream of water, leaving behind the heavier ore particles. Generally, it is done. In order to concentrate an ore with lighter impurities, place a few containers arranged in steps in such a way that the edge of one container is placed on the edge of another as shown. In this process, the ore is powdered and added to the container at the top. When a stream of flowing water is added to this container, the lighter particles are carried away with the flowing water, while the heavier particles of the ore are left behind. Thus, the lighter impurities of the ore are separated by this method. Magnetic separation. Magnetic separation is the method used to concentrate magnetic ores such as hematite, chromite, and this method uses an electromagnetic roller and a non-magnetic roller connected by a conveyor belt. An ore tank is also placed above the conveyor belt. The finely powdered ore is dropped over a rolling conveyor belt. When the ore particles reach the electromagnetic roller through the conveyor, the magnetic substances are attracted by the magnet and therefore collected as a separate heap nearer to the magnetic wheel. On the other hand, the non-magnetic particles or the impurities are thrown off and form a separate heap away from the magnetic wheel. Froth flotation method. Froth flotation method is the method used to concentrate the sulfide ores. For instance, some of the sulfide ores, such as that of the froth flotation method, uses an iron tank and 4 inlet pipes for the ore, water, pine oil, and compressed air, respectively. The froth obtained is collected by a froth collecting tank. Let's now see the process of concentrating sulfide ore by this method. First, add the impure sulfide ore into the iron tank through the ore pipe. Then add water through the water pipe. Also, add pine oil through the pine oil pipe for wetting the ore particles. Then, pass compressed air into the contents of the iron tank through the perforated iron pipe. This air stirs the contents of the tank vigorously. As a result, froth is formed at the top of the iron tank, leaving the impurities at the bottom of the tank. The froth thus formed carries the sulfide ore particles to the top of the iron tank, which gets collected in the... After some time, the ore particles in the froth collecting tank start settling gradually. Then they are removed and dried and subjected to further metallurgical